Hello everybody, Mike from Green Team Lawn Care. Today we're going to be talking about these pretty little trees called Privets and some of the big issues we had this summer with them. Stay right there. It is a little cold. As you can see, I'm a little bundled up. It's late fall, and we're back out here checking out these Privets because we had some big issues with fungus over the summer, and I had complaints everywhere down the shoreline, down to Guilford from Old Saybrook. Privets were not doing well. Had to do some extra fungal treatments to them. So I'm going to show you guys two things to look out for at this time of the year with your Privets to see how they're doing now and to see if you need to do anything right now. I'm going to show you guys first. This is what the problem was this summer. We had a big outbreak of powdery mildew. The fungus started to cause the leaves to go yellow, brown, kind of wilted a little bit. We had to put some extra fungicide on them this year. This one, as you can see, this row did pop back. They're doing pretty well. I was able to catch a little bit of fungus left on just this area of the whole row. This is like a 100-foot row. But the other thing I wanted to show you guys is that at this time of the year, you're going to see some normal discoloration, what some people will call dieback, but it's really just the chlorophyll going away, part of the natural process of fall, and they're going to change colors. Do not worry about this, okay? These are deciduous little trees, so they will drop their leaves. So that's something you're not going to worry about right now. But if you do see that white powdery looking mildew, you do want to think about fungicide treatments, and there are particular ones. The ones we used this year were Eagle and Spectator. Or you can contact us and we'll let you know what to try, okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below.